In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Meet session using the platform's built-in features. Recording a Google Meet can be incredibly useful for capturing key moments, whether it's a business meeting, a training session, or a virtual event you want to revisit later. By following these steps, you'll be set up to record your meetings seamlessly and efficiently. Let's start by heading over to meet.google.com on your web browser, or if you prefer, you can open the Google Meet app on your device. Once you're there, you have two primary options: joining an already scheduled meeting or starting a new one. If you have been provided with a meeting link or code, simply click on Join a Meeting and enter the necessary information. If instead you need to initiate a meeting on your own, go ahead and click on New Meeting. Once you're ready to begin and are inside the meeting space, click Join Now to start the call. Now that you're all set within your meeting, we can move on to the recording feature. To initiate the recording, look towards the bottom right corner of the meeting window and locate the Activities icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu of options. Within this Activities menu, select Recording. It's important to note that before proceeding, Google Meet may prompt you to select the language of the recording. Make sure you choose the most appropriate one for your audience. Once selected, all participants in the meeting will receive an alert indicating that the session is now being recorded. This transparency ensures everyone is informed and adhering to privacy considerations. To end the recording, once you've captured all the necessary information, you will head back to the Activities menu and choose Stop Recording. Remember that depending on your organization's settings, this menu might look slightly different, but the option to stop recording will be prominent, ensuring you can end it smoothly. Before you start recording any meetings, it's crucial to be aware of some important considerations. First, ensure that your Google Workspace account has the necessary permissions to record a meeting. Sometimes this feature may be restricted by your organization's administrator, so if it's not immediately available, it might require additional enabling on their part. Finally, once the recording is complete, the file will be saved securely to the organizer's Google Drive. This provides easy access for reviewing or sharing the recorded session with others who might need it. The recording customarily appears in a folder labeled Meet Recordings, but you can move it within your drive to better fit your organizational needs. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of the recording capabilities in Google Meet, ensuring you don't miss out on important discussions during your virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and happy recording.